I think integration will always be relevant. I think where the market's changing quite significantly is the complexity. Everything is becoming more simple, a lot more plug and play, and to your point, everything's remote. So you can configure, you can set up devices, rooms, control, and support, all using software platform in the cloud. So where companies like AV integrators have traditionally kept things a little bit more detailed, a little bit more technical, because they've invested in that over time to make sure that they stay ahead of the game. With the technology transitioning to simplified rooms, actually for Ricoh, we're in a very strong position. We have a very long-standing legacy in IT services, so we have a huge footprint, $6.5 billion turnover. So for us, we're in a very strong position. The more simple the rooms come, the better it is for Ricoh. But integration is always relevant for the larger rooms, the auditoriums, the training facilities. So I think there's a place for both. I think generally it's good for the market because I think historically people would maybe video enable a percentage of their rooms. They wouldn't video enable everything. But with the simplification, all of the rooms are video enabled. So actually, although they're simplifying and the costs might be getting less, the volume of rooms and the need for that is increasing dramatically. And that, coupled with the need for people to have flexible working spaces and have the ability to work from home, as we all like doing, I think that's really important. So they have to provide the right technology, certainly for the generations coming through now, out of the latest intake from colleges, etc. They walk in and they expect to be able to call people on video because in reality they've been doing it for years with FaceTime or WhatsApp or whatever else. What AV integrators need to do, I think, is just be more open to the simplification of the rooms. I think there is still this fixation of, I want something to be complex, I want to put lots of boxes in and build a rack when you don't need to, because they have a sense of insecurity. I think adopt the simplification. I think there's enough business for everyone. I don't think we need to step on each other's toes. There's a huge upward trend in this market. So for all of us, I think we just need to grasp and adapt to the changing market and the desires of our customers. With Ricoh, we have presence in 200 countries. We are one of the only companies playing in the AV integration world that has that type of footprint. We have a very long-standing IT business, as I said, and we've been developing printers and we've been supplying this type to all of our customers for years. So adding in simplified AV solutions from Logitech, Microsoft, Cisco, etc., this is easy for us. We've got it nailed down. So how am I going to help you? I'm going to help you get great standards. I'm going to help you scale, and I'm going to help you get the same user experience in every country and every office that you go to.